Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is day 7, part 1 of our journey, and today we are saying goodbye to the magical town of Tawang. Our road takes us through some absolutely breathtaking landscapes as we head towards Bomdila with stops at the stunning Jang waterfalls and the iconic Sila Pass.
Hello, good morning. Good morning from Tawang. আজকে 4th of November 2025 আর আমি এখন তাওয়াং আছি। এখন বাজে হলো সকাল 6টা। আমি উঠে পড়েছিলাম অনেক সকাল সকাল, উঠে রেডি হয়ে নিয়েছি, স্নান টান করে তারপরে রেডি হয়ে নিয়েছি, জিনিসপত্র সমস্ত গোছাতে হবে। আজকে আমরা তাওয়াং থেকে বেরিয়ে যাব। আজকে আমরা যাচ্ছি কোথায় তাহলে দেখার জন্য কিন্তু এই ভিডিওটা পুরোটা দেখতে হবে। তাহলে চলো বন্ধুরা, আজকে সকাল থেকে আমি কি করছি তোমাদের সাথে শেয়ার করছি। হ্যালো, তো আমরা এখন চলে গেছি ব্রেকফাস্টে জন্য। এখানে আছে বৈভবী, এখানে আছে শিবানী, ওদিকে আছে শিনম, প্রীতি। তো খুব ভালো সুন্দর ওয়েদার, ঠান্ডা খুব বেশি কিন্তু রোদ্দুরটার জন্য বেশ ভালো লাগছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা, চলো তাহলে ব্রেকফাস্টটা আসছে, তারপরে ব্রেকফাস্ট। ও আমরা এখন এই পেয়ারা খাচ্ছি, দেখো।
बंगाली में इसको प्यारा बोलते
यस, अमरूद।
क्या कहते हैं अमरूद प्यारा
পেয়ারা। ब्रेकफास्ट নিয়ে আজকে চলে এসেছি। पानी का बोतल उधर चला गया। अच्छा ले आओ, बैठो बैठो, हाथ पोछो। थैंक यू।
कानून के लंबे हाथ
कानून के हाथ है तुम्हारे, पता है।
लंबे
तो ब्रेड एंड बटर
जगह बदल देंगे
और ये अंडा। From misty mountains and frozen lakes to winding roads and raw Himalayan beauty, today's journey is all about the thrill of the road and the calm of nature. So, buckle up, sit back, and come along as we begin another unforgettable day in Arunachal Pradesh. Let's hit the road.
ड्रिल लग रहा होगा या कुछ लंबा होगा, लंबा ड्रिल 25 किलो 40 किलो।
निकल लेना चाहिए,
भविष्य के लिए रखना नहीं है।
दिल की बात
यार आगे
सुननी
नहीं क्या रखो,
हाँ?
जब टाइम मिले मौका मिले काम जो दिल में आ रहा हो करो।
दिल की बात सुननी चाहिए, हाँ।
होगा ही नहीं करना।
हाँ,
जो भी आपका सामाजिक दायरे में रहते हो दिल की बात
उसको
करो।
हाँ, किसी
ऐसा
को-
भी नहीं है किसी की बात भी मत करना जल्दी।
वही।
बीज बना रहा है।
The road journey from Tawang to Jang waterfalls is nothing short of mesmerizing. As we leave behind the serene monasteries of Tawang, the landscape slowly unfolds into rolling hills, deep valleys, and endless stretches of mountain roads. Crisp mountain air, prayer flags fluttering in the wind, the clouds drifting across the peaks make every turn feel magical. The drive takes you through quiet hamlets and untouched forest, where nature feels raw and untouched. Water streams cut across the road, yaks graze in open fields, and the silence is broken only by the sounds of the wind and distant waterfalls. As we approach Jung, the roar of the cascading water grows louder, building anticipation before the breathtaking sight of Jung waterfalls. Powerful, pristine, and framed by lush greenery and rugged cliffs. The stretch of road isn't just a journey, it's an experience that captures the true soul of Arunachal Pradesh. Peaceful, powerful, and unforgettable. Jung Waterfalls, also known as Nuranang Falls, is one of the most spectacular natural wonders in Arunachal Pradesh. Tucked away near the town of Jung, this majestic waterfall plunges from a height of nearly 100 meters, creating a powerful yet soothing spectacle amidst lush green mountains. Fed by glacial streams from the surrounding Himalayan ranges, the waterfall roars with energy, especially after the monsoon season. The mist rising from the crushing water, combined with the cool mountain breeze, creates an atmosphere that feels both refreshing and surreal. A short walk down the steps reveals multiple viewpoints, each offering a different and breathtaking perspective of the falls. Jung village holds deep historical significance from the 1962 Indo-China War. Located near the strategically important Tawang-Bomdila route, Jung was close to the Nuranang area, where one of the forecast and most tragic encounters of the war took place. Beyond its beauty, Jung Waterfalls also holds historical significance. It once supplied water to a hydroelectric plant during the Second World War. Today, it stands as a symbol of Arunachal's raw and untouched beauty, making it a must-visit stop for everyone traveling between Tawang and Bomdila. During the conflict, Indian Army units were positioned in and around Jung to slow the advancing Chinese forces as they moved south from Tawang. The narrow valleys, dense forest, and difficult terrain made this region military crucial but also extremely challenging for defense. In November 1962, a large number of Indian soldiers were ambushed near Nuranang, close to Jung Waterfalls, while attempting a tactical withdrawal. Many soldiers laid down their lives here, making it one of the most painful chapters of the war. আমরা এখানে এসেছিলাম জাং ওয়াটারফল দেখতে। দেখো ওয়াটারফল দেখা হয়ে গেল। আমি খুব সুন্দর ওয়াটারফলটা। ভীষণই সুন্দর, আর একটা বড় নদী আছে। এবার হচ্ছে যাচ্ছি আবার আমরা, তাহলে চলো আর দেরি করব না, কারণ দেরি করলে পৌঁছাতে হবে বমডিলা আজকে আমাদেরকে।
ना तो खराब हो गया ब्लॉग ना गया वीडियो।
तो क्या हुआ? अच्छा हुआ और अच्छा हुआ।
हे पूरा
हे।
पूरा भीग गए हो तो।
अरे अंदर तक बिक गए हम।
वो वीडियो बनाए।
चेंज करने पड़ेंगे बहुत
ठीक है।
अल्टीमेट वीडियो बनाएंगे दिखाएंगे हम आपको।
अच्छा। Today Jang stands not just as a beautiful mountain village, but also as a silent witness to the bravery and sacrifice of Indian soldiers. As travelers pass through this peaceful landscape, it serves as a powerful reminder that these serene roads and valleys once echoed with the sounds of battle and courage. As we wind through the mountains, the traveler fills with laughter and songs. The road ahead is long, but the journey feels lighter when music becomes our companion. Between the curves, the climbs, and the cold mountain air outside, these are the moments that make the journey unforgettable. Everyone was enjoying the journey inside the traveler. Smiles, laughter, and songs filling every seat as we moved through the mountains. The road to Sela Pass is a breathtaking journey through the high Himalayas. As we leave lower valleys behind, the path starts to climb sharply, winding through a series of hairpin bends carved into rugged mountains. The air grows crisp and thin, and the landscape changes dramatically. Lush green forests give way to rocky slopes. Frozen streams and patches of snow even outside winter. Every turn reveals a new postcard view. Distant snow-capped peaks, serene lakes, partially frozen, and clouds drifting close enough to touch. The road hugs cliffs and skirts deep gorges, offering moments of thrill and awe with every mile. Occasionally, small villages and prayer flags fluttering in the wind, and a touch of local charm, reminding travelers that this is not just a road, but a road through the soul of Arunachal Pradesh. By the time you near Sela top, the scenery reaches its peak. Icy slopes, majestic mountains, and the feeling of being on top of the world. This stretch isn't just about reaching Sela Pass. It's about experiencing the raw, untouched beauty of the Himalayas at every turn. Sela Pass is one of the most iconic and breathtaking mountain passes in India. Located in Arunachal Pradesh at an altitude of around 13,700 feet, that is 4,170 meters, this high altitude pass
connects Tawang with the rest of Arunachal Pradesh and offers some of the most spectacular Himalayan views you can imagine. The pass is famous for its snow-covered peaks, frozen lakes, and winding roads that taste both the thrill seekers and the nature lover. Its icy slopes and dramatic cliffs make it not just a route but a destination in itself, with every turn offering a new panoramic view of the surrounding mountains. Sela Pass also holds historical and strategic significance. During the 1962 Indo-China War, this route was crucial for the Indian Army in defending Tawang. Today, it stands as both a symbol of natural beauty and resilience, attracting travelers, photographers, and adventure enthusiasts from all over the world. A short trek from the main road leads to the Sela Lake, a partially frozen turquoise lake that reflects the surrounding peaks, a serene reward for anyone making the journey. Whether you are here for the adventure, the history, or just the sheer beauty, Sela Pass leaves an unforgettable mark on every traveler. Sela Pass, a geo-rated site.
इस साइड से आधा ही साइड है यहाँ पर इस नहीं ये
After soaking in the beauty of Sela Pass and the serene Sela Lake, we hit the road again, this time heading towards Bomdila. The mountains slowly start to change. Snowy peaks give way to rolling green hills, winding roads, descent through misty valleys, and small villages dot the landscape. Every turn brings a new view, every kilometer a new story.
फोटो ले ले
आपके सारे स्कैम कर दिए ऑलरेडी 3-4 तो मैंने अभी फिर से किया फिर ले लिया आपने
As we leave the high Himalayas behind, the road to Bomdila promises not just a destination but more memories, laughter, and breathtaking scenery along the way. अच्छा अच्छा
एक हफ्ते के बाद आएगा इधर पूरा बर्फ बर्फ यहाँ पे ब्रेक भी लगता है तार
शीशे नीचे कर लेना सिंगिंग में ऐसे ही है हाँ वो जुल्लू पर सिल्क रूट
And that's it for today's journey. From leaving Tawang, exploring Jang waterfalls, singing our way through the traveler, to experiencing the magic of Sela Pass and Sela Lake, it's been a day full of adventure, beauty, and unforgettable memories. Stay tuned as we continue our journey tomorrow, heading deeper into the hills and towards Bomdila. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.
रेड करने के लिए हम लोग ऊपर नहीं
अच्छा लगा मुझे.
और ज्यादातर ये लोग तो वो लेके आता है चिकन किचन